How to fix webcam black screen issue in OBS Studio. So if you're trying to add a webcam or a video capture device in your OBS and all you see is a black screen or a blue screen with this icon right here, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, you'll need to try to unplug your camera USB cable or disconnect your camera and then reconnect it again to your computer and close out of OBS Studio and then run it again as an administrator. Right click on it and run as admin. And once you run it as admin, you will need to go to File, Settings, go to Advanced, and then scroll all the way down, and if there is Enable Browser Source Hardware Acceleration option and it's enabled, you will need to disable it and then click on Apply and OK. You will also need to restart your OBS Studio. And once OBS is restarted, try to remove your video capture device from here and add it back again by clicking on the plus icon and then clicking on video capture device. Then click on OK and you should be able to see your camera device preview right here. Then click on OK to confirm this. Now the last option, if this still didn't work for you or didn't fix the issue, is to close any application that might be running in the background which can potentially use the camera, such as Discord or any other application that can use the camera, such as Skype as well. Make sure none of those are running in the background while you're trying to use the camera in OBS. You can open the task manager and look for them by name, or search in the task manager and right click and end task for any process that might use the camera. And that should fix the camera issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.